Let's work with unit rate. So for quote A, I've already got the unit rate for quote A because it's already in per hour. So I've got this is going to be $75 per hour. So in order to be able to adequately compare quote B, what I need to do is find out, right now we've got $200 for every 3 hours. I want to reduce this so I can find out what is the fee for every hour. So I want to go from that 1 or 3 hours down to one. And so in order to get from 3 hours to 1 hour, I have to divide. So we can't ever subtract. So please don't ever think that we can do that. So to go from 3 hours to 1 hour, I need to divide 3 by 3 to get down to one. So what I do to one side, I have to do to the other side in order to keep my ratio equivalent. So if I divide 200 by 3, then I am down to a 66.6 repeating. So it's going to cost me $66, round up to 67 if you want, per hour for quote B and 75 for quote A. So I would suggest that the student council would want to accept quote B. They have the better hourly rate. That